Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from DIY Digital Art. So let's start with this one. It's borderline between this one and the other small one, which to start with so that I can have space on my desk and tuck things out the way when I need to. But we'll start with this one. This is a full drill. Oh, it looks like it's in baggies. Bonus. So this is a round, but this just caught my eye. I would happily put this up in my home. And that's often, I look for things that either catch my eye because they're fun or catch my eye as decor. This one caught my eye as decor. It's a little bit different. It's like abstract feathers. It has 22 colours and it does have DMC numbers. The actual canvas size is just over 24 by just under 34. So it's a nice size canvas, not too big, not too small. Does come with a toolkit. But look, it comes in baggies. So there is a lot of white, but then there is quite a nice variety of other colours in there. It's nice that it comes in baggies. That's sometimes nice if you've not got a lot of storage, to be able to diamond paint straight out the baggies if you need to. They are all numbered just like the canvases, so number 22 is number 22 and the number is detailed on the canvas. But yeah, I like that one. So there is some blockiness in the background, but then when you look at the actual feather you get to quite a bit of confetti, so you can definitely mix it up a little bit. I like these like little bubble circle type things that are scattered about as well. So that's number one. Number two, so for the next smallish one, this one is more thin, but I think it's a bit longer if I remember rightly. Yeah. Oh, look. So this is a long and thin one. It's down as a 20 by 50, but the actual diamond painting size is 15 by just short of 45, well 45 when I lay it flat. But if you have that little area in your home, you know that wall that is a wall but not quite, you know it needs something but you can't quite tell what, have a look for different shaped diamond paintings, because sometimes there are quite a few that are nice and long and thin that can fit in those awkward places. I like some of the ones that are like this as well, in the same sort of size but that orientation. They go lovely above doors quite often. It doesn't have DMC numbers either on the bags or on the canvas. It does come with a toolkit though. And to show you the colourings for this one, oh, got a nice bright yellow in there. So we've got some oranges, of course, quite a lot of blues. It's a good job I like blue. And then we do have a scattering of all the other colours that will make up, of course, the dog and the background. You can see they're probably somewhere down there in the bottom, because as soon as you move down, it's like when you hold these blues up here, you can tell that they go in the background quite a lot because they blend in quite well. But yeah, I thought he was just adorable. I think he would look nice in someone's home, especially if you have a dog yourself. But yeah, he's just sweet, isn't he? So cute. So cute. Right, and last but by no means least, let's get into number 3. Oh, and this one's actually a special. Now the reason it doesn't or didn't read to me in the packet as being a special, i.e. quite thin because of less diamonds, is because it is one of the full full, well, pretty full, like it's not extremely full specials. So if you look on the trees, there is still gaps, so it is classed as a partial. However, if you look at the background, that is all made up of diamonds, and they look really, really nice because they tend to be a similar colour but different sizes quite often that make up the background, and they can make them rather stunning. I'm wondering if they're the same colour or whether they're different colours. But it's more of a crystal tone, full background fill-in diamonds. It is of a toucan. That is a toucan, isn't it? I'm pretty sure it is. Yes, they are all the same size. So this is what makes up your background. So yeah, classed as numbers 4, 5 and 6, which is your background colours, and it is sort of this yellowy gold. You get them in small, medium and large, and all 3 of those make up your background. And then you still have some special diamonds for well, these actually go on the toucan itself. And then we have, of course, some green for the leaves, yellow, orange. We even have some purple, some, trying to work out if they're AB coated. They very much look like they are. Iridescently silver, blue, brown, oh, quite a nice bit of lime green and some black. So if you like special diamond paintings and want something that, you know, is more than just the image, so you can get many diamond paintings that would just be the toucan, the leaves, potentially the branch, but this one gives you the whole of the background as well. I do suggest click on the link, and you should be able to see it in a little bit more glory so that you know what I mean, because while these are circled in different colours, they're actually all the same colour that you put down. That's just done for ease for you while you're doing it, but it does create such a stunning effect on the picture. So for today we've got a few different ones again, so we might have 2 rounds, a little bit more of a muted decor item, nice cute doggy, and a full, well, pretty much full special crystal diamond painting. I will pop links to them all down below, but thank you to DIY Digital Art for sending me these to share with you all, and I'll speak to you all again soon.